Sobrang grateful ko for this. Like, very. Kasi, guys, wala, naiiyak ako. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Like, I'm very lucky to be one of the people na nakakuha nito. Oh my God. The Eras Tour book, guys. Oh my gosh, hindi ko alam. Ayoko siyang makapag. Thank you so much kay ate dati. Oh my gosh, I finally have it. I never know paano ko makakakuha ng ganito if not because of ate dati. Oh my gosh, ayoko siyang buksan. Gusto, ayan, sealed pa siya, guys. Ayoko siyang buksan. Grabe talaga. Tapos hindi lang yan kasi meron pa akong iba pa. Thank you so much kay ate dati. Dahil sa kanya, super merry ang aking Christmas. Oh my gosh. Grabe talaga. Oh my gosh. Grabe talaga. Ang hirap maging Swiftie talaga. Promise. Tandaanin natin ang bukas. Ang hirap maging Swiftie. Umiyak na. Wala na ako ibang kinamakan di umiyak pagdating kay Taylor Swift. Unbox na natin siya, guys, carefully. Screaming inside, guys. I'm screaming inside. Kasi I have the anthology. Midnights. And the 1989 Taylor's version. Original CD siya, guys, from the US. And the Tortured Poets Department. Kompleto ko na yung collection ko dito, guys. Meron pa ako nito. Yung 1989 Taylor's version na hoodie. As a 1989 girly. Oh my gosh. Iiyak na lang ba ako habang buhay? I have this. Open ko na. Paano ko ito bubuksan nang hindi ko siya nasisira? This is the Tortured Poets Department merch. Tapos ito yung may pic sa loob. Let's open ito. Ito nga. May mini guitar picks. TTPT. Guitar picks. Na hindi ko naman gagamitin kasi yuko. Aking collectibles yan. Another Tortured Poets Department merch. Nakita niyo ba yan? It's an earrings, guys. I will wear this sa Pasko. Kasi why not, diba? Oh my gosh. Iyak na ako. Thank you so much, ate, dati. Grabe na payak mo ko dun. Thank you sa iyong Christmas gift.